Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Nova 10 and I'm gonna show you how to wipe the cache partition on this device. First we need to turn off our phone. You can do it by pressing and holding the power button and keep holding it until the power menu appears on the screen.
Hi, I'm Celia, your smart assistant. I can help you track the...
Once the menu appears on the screen, tap on the power off option and tap on it again to turn off the phone. After the phone turns off, press and hold the power button and the volume up button together. Keep holding them until you see the HUAWEI logo on the screen. Once you see the logo, release the power button, but keep holding the volume up button until the phone vibrates basically. So press and hold the power and volume up, keep holding them together. Once you see the HUAWEI logo, release the power button and keep holding the volume up. Wait a couple more seconds, the phone will vibrate. Then you can release the volume up button and wait until the phone enters the recovery menu. As you can see, we are in the recovery menu now. You can move through this menu by using the physical buttons like volume up and volume down and power button to select, or you can use the touch screen. Now let's select the clear data option, and here we have the wipe cache partition. Select it, wait until the process is complete, then select back and then select restart, and now your phone will reboot into a system. So let's wait. As you can see, we are back into a system. And that's how you wipe the cache partition on this phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.